Good morning, everyone. It's 8:32 on Monday, the 12th, and this is your pre-opening comment. And if I sound chipper, it's because I am. We had a great call last night. Was about an hour and 20 minutes, and the recording is now up on the in the Discord room, and I will put it on tonight's daily note for distribution. More than that, our only major position here, nat gas, is up over 10%. That's the nat gas up over 10%, not our position. Our position in UNG is trading at 21.10, up $1.84, and again, almost 10%, 9.55%. So that ought to be a great start for the week, considering that $1 spread had already expanded to $1.66. So I'm going to guess we'll get another 50 or 60 cents out of that, which will push us into a profitable position in that uh, options account. Okay, Thoma Bravo. This is a firm I had never heard about um, until a couple of months ago, but they are a private equity firm that specializes in taking over um, software and technology stocks. And today's candidate is Coupa Software. The stock is currently trading at 78.80, and that's up about $16 or 26%. The deal is worth about $8 billion. Also, considering what the market's doing, it's nice to see that a merger Monday is coming back to show some interest in some of these prices. And the next one is Amgn, which is currently down a little. It's trading at let's see, trading at 272 and a quarter, and that's down 640 on their announcement that they are doing their biggest acquisition ever, and that's going to be Horizon. Horizon is a company that I mentioned early last week, and it had actually put itself up for sale, and there were several bidders, and Amgen was the winner. Last Wednesday, when we talked about it, it had traded up to 100, par spot 29, up 21.53 or 27%. So today's move up to 112, up 15, might look light, but it's not. It's a $27.8 billion deal, and it is the largest deal that Amgen has ever done. And this next one is kind of funny, only because it's a major product, and the firm that's taking them private, I'm going to say this is easily, it's definitely the second, probably the third time that they've done this. They're paying $8.05, which is, a little bit of a premium. The symbol is WEBR, and it's currently trading 7.94, and that's up $1.44 or 22%. But again, as I said, second or third time. They did the last time they did this deal was on in 2021, August of 2021, at $14 is where it IPO'd the last time it went public. So good for them. Asia and Europe are both a little lower here. Interest rates, the 2-year is slightly higher, the 10-year is slightly lower, and so that expands that or steepens that yield curve, and from the inverted side. Okay, quick look at futures. We have corn up, soybeans down, and wheat and hard wheat both higher, and oats the same way. We have oil up 73 cents, which is a little over 1%. Heating oil up a nickel. And, when I woke up this morning and saw the coating of snow that they said we were going to get is about 3 inches deep, I kind of had that feeling. Gasoline unchanged, and nat gas up a whopping 70 cents. Let's show that chart real quickly. Nice gap back to the upside after the reversal last week. So again, we look pretty healthy. We might get into a little bit of trouble here at about 740. And although the spread is worth 4 points to us, if I could take 3 out of it and not have to be concerned, I would probably do that. And that would be a great 300% or 200% gain. Gold down 10, silver down 6, copper down 4. This, you have to remember, there's all kinds of stuff this week. There's CPI, core CPI tomorrow. We have the FOMC on Wednesday. There's a lot of stuff here coming out, so I'm going to probably be a little bit on the cautious side. Also, we have a very important triple witching this Friday, ahead of what should be a pretty quiet 2 weeks after that. Okay, with fair value, the indexes are slightly higher. When I came down at 730, the Dow was up 75, NASDAQ was up 30, and the S&P was up 10. Dow is now up 85. The NASDAQ is up 34, and we're up about $12 now in the S&P. So, kind of staying in line. Dollar was up. It is now down. Bitcoin, Ethereum down, and the bonds are up 18/32, so a shade over a half a point. All right, everyone, be careful out there, and enjoy this move in the nat gas. It really was a